Hey, this is Amber from Local Eats Co. One of my coworkers had spoken to someone from your office the other day, and we were given the okay to just send over this really quick screencast to you. And what I'll be doing is I'm just going to be going over 3 areas in which you can grow and scale your business, and as a result, get more customers in the door. And these are actually changes that you could make on your own. So I just wanted to provide you with some information overall and how it could help your business out. So generally what I like to do is I will pull up your website and kind of go through your website with you on the screencast. However, I noticed I couldn't actually find a website for you. I did find this Yelp here, and I saw this fullwoodpcs.com, and I tried to pull it up and it actually wouldn't let me. I'm not sure. Interesting. I don't think this is your website. No, it's not. And then I tried to pull up your Facebook as well, and I was just having some problems pulling it up. I just wanted to get a good idea of your business and what you guys offer. It looks like pressure cleaning, of course, but I wanted to just see in detail. So definitely an area of opportunity is kind of figuring out what's going on with your website and your Facebook, just so you could get that up and running. One area, I'll still go over 3 areas with you, but the first area that I wanted to go over with you that Google looks at when it comes to actually growing and scaling your website is the area of content. So once you do get your website up and running, one area to look into and making sure you focus on is making sure you get a good amount of content on your website. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words, on your front page, and then about 700 to 1,000 words on your back pages. So I have this website pulled up here. This is your top competitor. This is Peter's Pressure Washing. So I have their site here. And they actually don't have a lot of content either. They have quite a bit, but I don't believe that they're at the 1,000 to 1,500 mark. So definitely is an opportunity. I don't see you would have any issue kind of beating them in this area. And then your second top competitor, Lightning Pressure Washing, again, they actually don't have a lot of content either. So this is definitely an opportunity for you once you get your website back up and running. And that's also something I could discuss with you as well if you have a few moments of free time, kind of figuring out what's wrong with your website and getting that back up for you as well. But the first area is content. The second thing I wanted to go over with you has to do with this tool here that we use called Ahrefs. And what this tool does is it kind of helps you to see the ins and out of a website, where your website's been, where it's ranked in the past, and where it's ranking now. So I don't think this is your website, so I'm not going to use this as a reference, but I'll go to your competitor's website just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about here. I'm going to go to keywords, and keywords are pretty much words that your website is ranking for. So your top competitor, Peter's Pressure Washing, they're currently ranking for some pretty good keywords. Pressure washing in Tampa. That gets 150 searches per month, and it gets them about 54 traffic. So that's about 54 people, and they're in the top position. So they're more than likely getting majority, if not all of these 54 people. And then pressure washing in Lakeland, Florida, again, gets searched about 150 times per month. Gets them about 49 people in the door. And that's just the beginning. I mean, there's a ton of keywords it looks like they're ranking for. So we'd want to get you ranked for these words and get you in that top position so that as a result, you can get a ton of traffic in the door. I have your second top competitor here. Again, looks like they're in the second position. And although it's not the first, They're still on the front page of Google. Nonetheless, obviously being in that first position is the best, and would get you better results. So, to go on to the next area I wanted to look into with you when it comes to ranking your website. So I went over content. The second area is the area of backlinks, which you could see right here. What a backlink is it's pretty much when another website is referring back to your website. So of course that's good. That's pretty much essentially other websites shouting you out, and getting your name out there. So of course the more backlinks the better, but what's just as important as having a lot of backlinks is having good credible links referring back to your website. For instance, you don't want Pizza Hut referencing back to your website because your website has nothing to do with pizza. You don't offer that sort of service. So that would be considered a spammy website, and Google does not like spammy websites. That will hurt your ranking. So of course having a lot of backlinks is good, but it's just as important to have good, credible, solid links giving your website credit. So looks like your top competitor has 977 backlinks. The way I'm able to see if these are spammy links or if they're good, credible links is with this DR right here. The closer this number is to this number, the better. And that tells me that they have pretty good, solid backlinks giving their website credit. And then your second top competitor, it looks like they have 231 backlinks, but their DR is very low compared to their UR, which tells me they probably have a lot of spammy links. So that's the second area I wanted to go over with you when it comes to ranking and scaling your website and your business. And then the third area is in the area of citations. So what a citation is it's when your name, address, and phone number is blasted all over the internet. Of course, the more the better, because your name and your business is getting out there. It's getting out there for the world to see. This is generally done on a lot of directories and social media platforms. But of course it's not limited to that. I have yours pulled up here. It looks like you have 18 citations. That's for your business name, address, and phone number. Your top competitor has 59, and then your second top competitor has 33. So that's definitely an opportunity of growth for you and for your business. Just getting your name and your address out there. So that was just the 3 areas that I wanted to go over with you. Again, that was content, backlinks, and citations. And again, these are things that you can do on your own. So I wanted to get this on over to you, just to give you some information in your pocket. I would love to chat with you if you have about 10 to 15 minutes. You can either email me back and we can schedule a time, or you can give me a call. My phone number is below. But other than that, I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.